So guys, for the first method, in the bottom right of your taskbar, you want to click on the arrow, and now this will come up. If you see BlueStacks open, then you want to right click on it, and it's going to be saying for you like exit or quit. So you want to exit BlueStacks, which should now close it. You can now continue with the OBS installer, see if that works. If that's still not working, then for the second method, you want to go to search and type in Task Manager. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to click on Startup Apps. If you see BlueStacks in this list, then you want to disable it. I don't have it on my computer, but if you do see BlueStacks here, you want to click on it and then click on Disable, which will now make the status disabled. Now you want to restart your computer. Once you come back into Windows, you can now start the OBS installation, but do not open BlueStacks before you start it. Just don't open it until you complete the OBS installation. Once you complete the OBS installation, you can then open BlueStacks if you want to. This should now fix your problem.